Hi everyone, myself Akila, sales engineer for Unified Communications here at Blue Chip IT. You might have seen our Yealink A40 unboxing video a while ago. Well, guess what? We finally installed it in one of our meeting rooms today. And I'll show you why this device is a great addition for better meetings. The A40 is an all-in-one video bar that packs a powerful dual camera to form 120 degrees frame, microphone, speaker, and Android 13 system all in one sleek device. But what makes it stand out? It's also one of the first Android devices with Microsoft Device Ecosystem Platform, which is MDEP, making it super secure and easy to manage while protecting against cyber threats and data leaks. Now let's set it up, and trust me, it's a piece of cake. Just three cables: power, internet, and HDMI. Plug them in, and that's it. We are ready to go. Now let's take a closer look. On the front, you've got everything built into the device: the dual camera with electric privacy shutter, microphone, and two speakers. Turning it around the back, you will see a simple ports for easy connection. You can see our team here helping me to install and set up the meeting bar. The installation is super simple, just four cables: one for power, one for the internet, and one VCH port to connect to the CTP25, and an HDMI for the display TV. That's it. The setup is very quick and can be installed in just 5 minutes. So as you can see here, the A40 meeting bar is mounted and waiting for CTP25 connection. Here is a cool part. The A40 connects directly to CTP25 touch console with just a single Ethernet cable, which provides power and network, so no messy wires around, and this can be either be mounted on the desk or onto the wall. Setup is quick. Select your language, choose the network. It could be wired or wireless, but please make sure that A40 and CTP25 are under the same network connection. And in the last, choose your time zone and all set. And CTP25 will be synchronized with A40 meeting bar. Now sign into Microsoft Teams room, where I will need to use these authentication code displayed on the touch panel and sign in with the meeting room credentials. And the best part is you only log in once, no separate logins for the bar and the console. So there you have it. The Yealink A40 makes meetings with easy setup, one cable simplicity, and pro level performance. It offers easy deployment and use, making it ideal for premium small to medium sized meeting rooms. But that's not all. Its AI powered view features take your meetings to the next level. With IntelliFocus, the A40 automatically captures real time close ups of recent speakers. So you stay focused on what truly matters, just like in a face to face conversations. And with the video fence, your meeting space stays distraction free by making virtual boundaries. Only what's inside is seen and heard, keeping the focus on you. The Yealink A40 also has AI-powered noise cancellation with full duplex audio, AI-enhanced noise cancellation, and reverberation suppression. And so you get crystal clear sound every time, no matter the environment. If you want to manage your A40 meeting room with easy, Yealink's management cloud service, which is YMCS, makes it simple. With YMCS, you can remotely manage the device in the cloud to deploy, upgrade, monitor, and troubleshoot anytime, saving time and no matter where your team is. If you're looking to upgrade your meeting space, this is the way to go. To know more about A40 Yealink Meeting Bar, reach out to us at uc@bluechipit.co.nz. Thank you.